Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import multiple general journal entries in QuickBooks from Excel. This can be especially useful if you already have journal entry data prepared in a spreadsheet and don't want to spend time entering every transaction one by one. To get started, sign into QuickBooks and make sure you're on your main dashboard. From there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where many of your settings and tools are located, including the import options we need for this process. Before starting, it's also a good idea to make sure you're working in the correct QuickBooks company if you manage more than one business file. Once the menu opens, select Import Data. This will take you to the area where QuickBooks allows you to bring information in from external files, including spreadsheets created in Excel. This section is designed to make bulk data entry easier and can be useful for several different types of accounting records. If you're importing several journal entries at once, this is much faster than entering each one manually, and it can save a lot of time when you're working with accounting data in bulk. For example, if you're migrating records from another accounting system, entering month-end adjustments, or uploading a large batch prepared by your accountant, importing can make the process much more efficient. When you get to the import page, change the record type to journal entries. This step is important because QuickBooks supports different kinds of imports, and you want to make sure the system knows exactly what type of data you're uploading. Selecting the correct record type also helps QuickBooks match your spreadsheet columns with the appropriate journal entry fields. After selecting journal entries, go ahead and click Import to continue. QuickBooks will then guide you into the next stage of the upload process. At this point, QuickBooks will give you two options. You can either choose to import using Spreadsheet Sync from Excel, or you can upload a CSV file that was created from Excel. Spreadsheet Sync may be convenient if you prefer working directly with Excel, while the CSV option can be useful when you want a simple, file-based upload. Both options are designed to help you bring in your journal entry data efficiently, so the right choice depends on the format you prefer and the workflow you normally use. If you're unsure which one to choose, the CSV method is often easy to understand because you can prepare the file first, review everything, and then upload it when you're ready. If you decide to use the CSV file import option, make sure you also download the template provided on this page. That template is especially helpful because it shows you the exact structure QuickBooks expects. Instead of guessing which columns you need, you can use the template as a guide while preparing your entries. Using the correct format can prevent errors during the import process and make the whole experience much smoother. Pay close attention to things such as account names, dates, debit and credit amounts, and any other required fields, because even a small formatting issue can cause an entry to fail or require correction. Next, follow the template carefully and enter your journal entry data into your Excel file based on that layout. Once your file matches the required format, upload or import your data using the method you selected. It's usually a good idea to avoid changing the template's column structure unless QuickBooks specifically allows it. Take a moment to review the file before finalizing the import, just to make sure the information is arranged properly and everything lines up the way QuickBooks expects. Check that the correct accounts are being used, that the dates are accurate, and that each journal entry balances properly, with total debits matching total credits. After that, complete the import. And that's it. Your multiple general journal entries should now be brought into QuickBooks from Excel. Once the import is complete, you may also want to review a few of the newly created entries inside QuickBooks to confirm that the information transferred correctly. This is a simple and efficient way to handle larger batches of entries while reducing manual work and helping maintain consistency in your records. When you're working with recurring adjustments, historical data, or large accounting updates, using Excel and the import feature can make the process much faster and more organized.